Hello dear students, in this video we will take up the another important topic which is known as structure of the protein. Basically proteins structure divide into four types of categories: primary protein, secondary protein, tertiary protein and the quaternary proteins. Clear? We know that different types of amino acids, whenever they combine together, then they make the long polypeptide chain, and this long polypeptide chain is responsible for the different types of protein molecules. Now first of all we will take up the primary structure of the protein. Primary structure of the protein, it is made up of by peptide bonds between amino acids and amino acids. For example, this is first amino acid, this is second, this is third, and this process going on. So first amino acid and second amino acids combine together with the help of a peptide bond. And this peptide bond takes place between the carboxyl group and the amide group. Remember it. Clear? And they are non-functional. All types of primary structure of the proteins, they are non-functional and they found in a straight line. Now secondary structure of the protein. Secondary structure of the protein have got peptide bond. Apart from that, hydrogen bond is also present, and their structure is little bit different in the coil shaped. Look here, this is the coil shape structure. All types of peptide bonds are present in it. One coil and the another coil is also attached with each other with the help of hydrogen bonds. So in the case of secondary structure of the protein, polypeptide polypeptide peptide bond is also present and hydrogen bonds are also present. Clear? For example, these types of secondary structure of the proteins are found in our hair and nails. Clear? These proteins are known as keratin. Keratin proteins are present in our hair and nail, and their structure is just like this. Clear to all of you? This structure is known as alpha helix. Alpha helix structure. Clear? Now, beta plated structure is also present there. And this types of structure is found in silk fibers. This is the one structure, this is the another structure. They both combine together with the help of hydrogen bonds. So this is the difference between the alpha helix and the beta plated. Alpha helix only same chain hydrogen bonds are present, and beta plated different types of chain have got the hydrogen bonds. Clear? So this is the secondary structure of the protein. Tertiary structure of the protein, three types of secondary structures, 1, 2 and 3. Whenever they combine together, then they make the tertiary structure of the protein. But in this tertiary structure, uh, there are different types of specific sites are present, and these specific sites are known as the specific substance attached to these both functional groups. The different types of functional groups are present there. For example, OH group and amide group are present here, and between these OH and amide groups some specific sites are present here. Clear? So that's why they are responsible for the tertiary structure of the protein. But in this tertiary structure, different types of bonds are present. Clear? These bonds are known as peptide bonds, hydrogen bonds, ionic bonds, sulfide bonds are also present here. Clear now? This is the structure of the tertiary protein. Quaternary tertiary structure of the protein. Quaternary structure of the protein, when four types of secondary structure, 1, 2, 3 and 4 combined together, then they make the quaternary structure of the protein. Example, hemoglobin. We know that hemoglobin have got 2 alpha chains and 2 beta chains. The molecular formula of hemoglobin is carbon molecules, 3032 carbon molecules are present in hemoglobin. Hydrogen 4816, oxygen 872, nitrogen 780, sulfur 8 and ferrous 4. Clear? And the molecular formula of the hemoglobin is molecular weight of the hemoglobin is 68,000. Clear now? Clear? So hemoglobin is a quaternary structure of the protein. Clear? It also the quaternary structure of the protein or the hemoglobin have got also the peptide bond, hydrogen bond, ionic bond and sulfur bonds are also present in it. So these are the quaternary structure, tertiary structure, secondary structure is the primary structure of the proteins.